Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show how to convert PDF to PowerPoint presentation. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Right, open up any web browser on your PC, laptop or even mobile device. And then in the URL section, type in lightpdf.com/tools and then you'll be brought to this page here. And then from here, you want to click on PDF to PPT, which is PowerPoint presentation converted from PDF file. So go ahead and click on to PDF to PPT. And now go ahead and click on select file. So click on that PDF you want to convert. So I'll go ahead and do that now. All right, I'm going to convert this test PDF. So now, as you can see, it's uploading to this website and it's going to be converting to PowerPoint presentation. And now what you want to do is click on convert PDF directly. Now click on convert. As you can see, it's processing. So I'll pause this video and get back to you once that is done. All right, now it's done. Now you simply click on download PPT file and this will get saved. Alright, you need to log in, so continue with Google or create a new account, sign up. So I'm just going to continue with Google. Alright, I'm logging in now. Now let me download this file. So as you can see, it's downloaded. So if I go ahead and click on it, it should open up PowerPoint presentation from this test PDF. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys, how to convert PDF files to PowerPoint presentations. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.